Hi Boilermakers, this is a tutorial on how to use the student course request form if your advisor has pre-loaded suggested courses for you. Start by logging into MyPurdue by going to mypurdue.purdue.edu. Click on the Registration tab on the right. From there, click on the Use Course Request form. This will take you to the student course request form. Ensure you are on the correct term. Courses that you and your advisor have already discussed are loaded for you on the course request form. Although it shouldn't be necessary, you can move courses up or down by using the blue arrows. If you need to remove a course, use the red trash can. Click on the magnifying glass icon to view the different instructional delivery methods and additional course information. If you've made changes and want to go back to what your advisor originally recommended, click on the Advisor Recommendations button and then click Apply. If you're ready, click Submit Requests. Some courses in your plan of study won't have alternatives, and that's okay. This course requires a prereq override, and you can request that now. Ensure that you are explaining clearly why you are requesting the override. This ensures that the individual who either approves or denies the request has all of the information. If you'd like to print a copy of your course requests, you can do so now. Courses with a green check mark indicate they have been successfully submitted. A blue clock indicates you're waiting on an override approval or perhaps AP credit. No further action is needed from you. A red X indicates the override request has been denied. Communicate with your advisor regarding any denied override requests and what to do next.